Todd Hammer with Lead FTS. We're going to do a little Q&A session here with Fergus Connolly. First question I'm going to ask you, what are the top 3 mistakes from the strength coach sports science?
Well, funny you should ask that, Todd. So I get asked quite a bit. Top 3 mistakes you see in sports science programs. First thing is not having deliverables clear. What I mean by a deliverable is, what's the outcome? People start with the GPS and no. What are you going to end up with? How's it going to impact? And the way to answer that question is, what are you going to do before the next training session or at the next training session with whatever you're collecting now? That's the very first question. Work backwards. The second one is feedback to the players, particularly the higher up you go. And actually, it's more important the higher up you go, but it doesn't matter at what level. If I want you to give me honest feedback tomorrow, I need to know that you're doing something with what you're asking me today. Otherwise, it'll be, whatever. And that's everything to do with asking you, can I put a GPS unit in the back of your vest? Or asking you how you feel today, stiff and sore. So you have to have a feedback loop to continue to get buy-in. And the third one is, this is very important, this is an NFL team came to me many years ago and they screwed this up too. Only do one thing at a time. If I make two changes to our program or monitoring program and we get better or we get worse, I don't know which one it was. One at a time, look at the reaction, and then I know. It's an old programming thing. You only make one change at a time, so that if it has made you worse, you can go back and get rid of it. If you've made 2, you don't know which one. So these are the first 3 things. 3 things to check with your sports science program or your monitoring. No deliverables, no feedback. You only make one change at a time.
Well, that's good, because I'm giving no deliverables, I give no feedback, and I change everything all at the same time. So I've screwed all 3 up. Well, thank you for that one, Fergus.
Pleasure.